Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you ever wanted to wear a sleeveless or strapless top, but felt self-conscious because the skin under your arm is darkened and discolored? This could be due to several factors. Genetics could play a part in the color or discoloration of your skin. Store-bought deodorant often uses chemicals that could, over time, change the color of your skin. But when you really want to wear that cute top and can't, the reason your skin has changed color really doesn't matter. Thankfully, we've got some simple ways to lighten the skin of your underarm. We can also help you improve the overall health of your skin. Even though you might be able to buy something that is supposed to lighten underarm discoloration, our natural remedies will be less expensive. They will also do a great job when you're consistent in the application. Take a look at these 5 home remedies for this unsightly and embarrassing issue. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar kills bacteria on the skin when applied directly to it. It works not only on the appearance of the skin, but also the odor that emanates from the underarm. If you want to try pure apple cider vinegar first, dab some vinegar on a clean rag and apply it to a small area of the skin. Make sure you don't have any reactions before applying it to a larger area. If you do have a reaction, try diluting into an equal parts mixture and follow the same instructions. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has similar whitening benefits as apple cider vinegar. Apply some fresh lemon juice to your underarm before bed. Since lemon juice can also be used as a disinfectant, it will help clean your skin. It's best to leave the lemon juice on your skin for about 30 minutes. Wash it off before going to sleep. 3. Lemon and sugar scrub. Lemon is used to clean, but in this home remedy, we use sugar to act as an exfoliant. Since lemons contain citric acid, you should only use this treatment when affected area will not be exposed to sunlight. Simply mix a tablespoon of brown sugar with half a cup of lemon juice. Rub it on the discolored area and let it stay for 15 minutes. Rinse the mixture off and dry the skin well. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very versatile health and beauty aid, and using it regularly on the skin can significantly repair discolored areas. It's rich in vitamin E, which makes it a fantastic moisturizer, and it has a great smell. 5. Honey, oats, and lemon. You can take these 3 common household items and make a homemade whitening solution. Mix a teaspoon of honey with the juice of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Make a cream and then just apply it to your underarms. Let it stand for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Before you know it, you'll be back to wearing those favorite tops again without any worries about dark, discolored spots on your skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.